Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the cost of trading ETFs on Questrade. I'm often asked about the cost of trading ETFs, and I'm happy to provide some information on this topic. But before I get into the details, I want to ask you a question. How much are you currently paying to trade ETFs? If you're not sure, that's okay. I'll help you figure it out. The cost of trading ETFs on Questrade. There are a few different factors that can affect the cost of trading ETFs on Questrade. These factors include the type of ETF you're trading, the size of your trade, whether you're using a commission-free account, types of ETFs. There are two main types of ETFs: index-based ETFs, actively managed ETFs. Index-based ETFs track a specific index, such as the S&P 500 or the Nasdaq 100. Actively managed ETFs are managed by a team of professionals who try to outperform the market. Index-based ETFs are typically cheaper to trade than actively managed ETFs. This is because index-based ETFs are simply tracking an index, while actively managed ETFs require more work from the fund manager. Size of your trade. The size of your trade can also affect the cost of trading ETFs. Larger trades typically have lower fees. Commission-free accounts. Questrade offers a number of commission-free accounts. This means that you can trade ETFs for free. However, there are some fees associated with commission-free accounts, such as account maintenance fees and fees for certain types of trades. How to calculate the cost of trading ETFs on Questrade. To calculate the cost of trading ETFs on Questrade, you need to consider the following factors: the type of ETF you're trading, the size of your trade, whether you're using a commission-free account, any other fees that may apply, such as account maintenance fees or fees for certain types of trades. For example, let's say you want to buy 100 shares of the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, VOO. The current price of VOO is $300 per share. If you have a commission-free account, the total cost of your trade would be $3,000, 100 shares x $300 per share. If you have a commission-based account, the total cost of your trade would be $3,000 plus the commission fee. The commission fee will vary depending on the size of your trade and your broker. How to save money on ETF trading. There are a few things you can do to save money on ETF trading. Use a commission-free account. Trade larger quantities of ETFs. Choose ETFs with low expense ratios. Avoid actively managed ETFs. The cost of trading ETFs on Questrade can vary depending on a number of factors. However, by understanding the different factors that affect the cost of trading ETFs, you can make sure that you're getting the best possible deal. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. See you next time.